Hello everyone, so if you want to share your Wi-Fi on your Xiaomi Redmi A3, so first of all open up your settings, here it is. Now you're to scroll down to your mobile and internet tab. Now find your internet tab. And here find your setup and solve. Boom. Any name of Wi-Fi, right? And any Wi-Fi which you're connected to. I connected to this one, of course. Open it up. Now find the share button. Now you're to confirm that this is you, so whether you use PIN or your fingerprint scanner. However, if you don't have any password set, you won't have to do that. So let's keep on. And now here is our password. First of all, it's written here, and here is our QR code. So simply simply scan the QR code with the other phone, and here it is. Now you're connected to your new Wi-Fi. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.